measurements on scrapbook paper, and then you make different types. I painted this green and I layered it, and I put this is some, not ribbon, string of some sort, I don't know what you call it. No, that's for something else. So these are those, and it goes into a 6-pocket, almost like what kids keep their baseball cards in. It goes in that, and they're all supposed to be unique, but with a St. Patrick's Day theme. And then once you put them into the sleeves, you have to put a goodie behind it. So my first goodie is these little things from the dollar store. These, so you can use them to decorate, and the tea bag. Another goodie is what do you call, Andes mint, and one of these that I didn't use. Another goodie is this. I found this at the dollar store. This is a magnet with the mint on top. This is a Russell Stover with English tea. Another English tea with a mint. A mint, and I got this at the dollar store. This was only $1. I took out of the original packaging and I put it in here. So I have to put these in all the sleeves. Another Andes mint, and these are 3 little tags with some paper clips. I repackaged it so it can go in. This is some sequins, and this is a packet of coffee, another packet of coffee, and another tea bag. So all of these go behind these, if that makes any sense. And once I'm done with it, I will show you.